Alright, so got a board here for repair. I actually started working on this board before I started doing the video series at all, but I was waiting on parts to arrive. And so you didn't get to see me install the lights or tear this one down, but you'll get to watch the finish of the build. I'll finish putting it together, put all the new stepper motors on, boot it up, show everything works. So we'll get started on that right now. Okay, so in this part of the video I went ahead and fast forwarded it and cut the original audio out. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm putting the new stepper motors onto the board. I apply a little bit of flux to the back of all of them, and then quickly just run a solder joint across all of them. I'll definitely try to get a better video of actually soldering these so that way you can see the joints being applied, but I'm going to need to get a microscope to do that. I do plan on ordering one soon, and it really helps with doing surface mounting devices and all that, so I will be getting that soon, and I'll promise I'll take a good video of that. So now I'm going to put all the needles back on, power it up, and then you can see it power up finally, and then that's it. Alright, let's reassemble this board here, do a final test on it. On the bench at least. I will test it one more time in the customer's truck. He's a local, this isn't a mail out, so I don't need to do a full sweep test or anything here on the bench. So let's see. Sorry about that. I had to restart filming because I realized about everything was out of frame that I was recording. So yeah, finished putting this back together. But as we can see, all the gauges are set. The fuel gauge, it needs to be about a needle width below E. When it's directly on E, that's not the correct setting on it. But yeah, everything else booting working. We got all our lights working, so it is good to go and ready to return to the customer. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.